Digital business infrastructure is complex. From servers to IoT devices to the cloud, each component of your system needs to be optimized and secured, and your team is responsible for controlling that technology at scale. Hiring more people isn't the answer. Automation is the only viable way to keep up. But automation isn't easy, until now. Meet SaltStack. SaltStack is intelligent, event-driven automation built for any scale. SaltStack transforms complex systems into a seamless digital fabric. It goes beyond orchestration and configuration to actively audit, heal, and protect. Which means your digital infrastructure can become a digital fortress, keeping your business data safe. Best of all, SaltStack amplifies the impact of your entire team, from support techs to engineers. At SaltStack, we know the future demands intelligent automation at scale. That's why we built software for your future now.